এটা বাস okay. Good morning students, how are you? Students of class 4 Pine. Okay, now every day we are doing our study at home, isn't it? Every day we are yes, very good morning students. We are missing our classroom, isn't it? We are missing a lot. We are missing our classroom, everything. Do you miss me or your friends? Okay, now so today we will enjoy this class. Okay, how? If I tell a story today, what will be the idea? Do you like this? Okay, so Adrija, then your is Joy. Okay, Noenika. Okay, I thought today I will tell a story so that you can enjoy. Okay, so today I will tell the story of a white elephant. Okay, story of a white elephant. It is a famous story. It is written by Ruskin Bond. So let's start. Here, once upon a time, okay, there was a forest in the Himalayan mountains. Near the Himalayan mountains, there lived a herd of elephants, and the finest of them was a white elephant, and it looked so beautiful. The elephant lived with his mother, and his mother was very old, very old. So he used to collect fruits, food, okay, different types of food and fruits for his mother, as his mother was very old. So but in that group, some of the elephants were very naughty. They used to steal the food which he collected for his mother. So every day they used to steal his mother's food. So he became very angry. He decided to leave that area, to leave that group. So he and his mother, okay, they went to live alone in a distant cave, okay, in a distant place. So there, in that place, he and his mother, and they were very happy. Okay, Adrija, can you see me now? Okay, so there he and his mother were living very happily. One evening something happened. What happened? They heard a cry of a human being. The elephant was very kind hearted. Okay, so he wanted to help that person, but his mother told him, don't go, listen to me, don't go. His mother also warned him that he would be treated by treachery. That means, don't go, human beings can do harm. But he didn't listen. Okay, he went to that place. There he saw a forester lost his path. How to go out of the forest? He lost his path. So So what he did? The elephant took him on his back and left him on the outskirts of the city and returned to his mother. Okay. Now the forester was very ungrateful. Okay, very cunning. He thought if he could capture that white elephant and present that to the king, then the king will be very happy and the king would reward him richly, as king's favorite elephant had died. Okay, Nishi, good morning, good morning. So he told everything about the white elephant to the king. King became very eager to possess that white elephant. So he ordered the man, okay, go back to the forest and take a band of my most skillful trainers and capture that white elephant. Okay, I will reward you. Okay. So the forester went into the forest, okay, with a group of, with a band of skillful trainers and captured that white elephant. And that time, that elephant was gathering fruits for his mother. Shreya, this is not from our book. We are not doing our syllabus today. Today I am telling a story only to refresh your mind so that you can feel happy, because you are in the home. You are all confined like in the home. You cannot go to the school. That's why I thought let's tell a story. That's why I am telling a story only to keep you happy. This is also a part of CBSE education, CBSE boards. Okay. No, don't be sorry, Shreya. It's okay. You didn't know. That's why you asked me. Clear? Do you like? Do you like that idea? We always take care of our physical health, but we should take good care of our mental health too. Yes, that's why I am telling a story. Understood? Okay. This week, do you know this week is the mental health week? That's why. Okay. Hope you like it. So, the elephant now is in the king's stable. Now the king was very happy. Now he declared that he would ride no other animals, okay, except the white one. Now his stable was well decorated. That means where the white elephant was kept, that area was now beautifully decorated. But the elephant was not happy at all. A few days later, the king came to know that the elephant was not taking food, and it was becoming very thin, weak. So he went to the white elephant and asked, "Why are not you taking food? What happened? Tell me. I will solve your problem." So the white elephant answered that, "Sir, my mother is very old, alone. No one is there to give her food. So, being her son, how can I take food?" So the great-hearted king felt sorry for him, and he agreed to free him to return to send him to his mother. The white elephant thanked him. Okay, now he was very happy. He reached to the cave where his mother lived. Till now, his mother was still alive. On hearing all the story, His mother told, I warned you, you should not go there. You didn't hear me. Okay? You should have listened to me. And be careful that be careful and keep in mind that human beings had always brought harm to our race. That means human beings are always doing harm to us. The son then replied, all humans were not bad. The king was different. Ma, just look at Ma, ma'am, ghost type sound is a why? Okay. So he told his mother that mother, we should keep in mind only the king's goodness. Okay. So this is the story. Now students, can you tell me what we have learned from this story? What we have learned? The first thing is, tell me. Who can tell me? We should listen to our elders, we should listen to our mothers, because parents, elders know better than us. That's why we should listen to our elders, we should listen to our parents, our teachers. Otherwise we can get in danger. Okay? Because elders know elders know many things, they are experienced. Okay? So this is the thing. And also we should not judge a whole group by only one person or only one guy. We should not think that human beings are all bad. It is not like that. The forester was bad, but the king was good hearted, isn't it? Students, mute your microphones, all of you. Mute your microphones. So now tell me what you have learned from this story. Who can tell me? At first tell me the name of the story. Who can tell me the name of the story? Aishwarya, in which group? What is this? Now tell me the name of the story. Who can tell me? Who can tell me the name? Yes, the white elephant. Very good. Who is this? Devdeep. Now tell me what you have learned. What you have learned from the story. What we have learned from this story. Did you like this story? At first tell me, did you like this story? Yes, Nayanika. Yes, Red Riding Hood, yes. Now tell me what we have learned from this story. What is the lesson you got from this story? What is the moral of this story? What you have learned from this story? I am waiting for your answer. Devdeep, Jishan, Adriti, then Nayanika, then Muhammad. Muhammad, write your full name please. Adrija and Nayanika. We should listen to our elder. Very good, very good. This is the lesson. This is the lesson we got from the story, isn't it? Okay. Now students, the moral is we should listen to our elders. Yes, Devdev. Very good, very good. Okay. Students, bye. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Clear? Bye bye.